Your campus, your choice. Whether you're heading to a lecture or the office, the University of Nottingham MealPass is your ticket to the best food and drink on campus. Plus, unlock daily offers and discounts you won't find anywhere else, all through the app. It's simple to set up an account and easy to use. You'll get personalised offers and rewards.
Every time you use MealPass, you're automatically entered into our monthly prize draw. From lifestyle vouchers to the latest tech and more, there are great prizes to be won every month.
It's built for everyone. Staff can enjoy hassle-free lunches, while students get the flexibility they need. In self-catered accommodation, get the freedom to eat across campus whenever you like. Pick from our extensive menu of food and drinks. Our chefs can accommodate any dietary requirement. If you're in a catered hall, don't worry if you use up your credit. You can add funds through the app or ask your parent or guardian to top up for you. And if you've left catered halls, you can continue to enjoy the app and all of its benefits. In a rush or just wanting to plan ahead, skip the wait by ordering in advance. Simply pick your favourites, select a collection time and collect your order. Download the app today to save money, grab free items and enjoy flexible on-campus dining. MealPass, meals, deals and more.